In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to find recent ads you've watched on YouTube using just your mobile phone. A lot of people don't know this feature exists, but YouTube actually keeps a record of ads, just like regular videos. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your phone. Next, tap on any video and let an ad play. Even for just a few seconds is enough. Once the ad starts, you can exit the video. Now, look at the bottom right corner and tap on You, or your profile icon. From there, tap the gear icon at the top to open Settings. Scroll down and select Your Data in YouTube. This will take you to your YouTube Activity dashboard. Scroll down again until you see Watch History, then tap Manage your YouTube Watch History. Here's the interesting part. You'll notice that ads appear just like regular videos in your history. You can tap on any ad to watch it again, or remove it if you want. And that's it. Now you know how to find ads you've recently watched on YouTube. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.